Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. It is time for another
Wonder Wednesday!
I hope you're really enjoying your summer holidays. Chris, are you enjoying them?
That's been good. It's been different, but it's been good.
Yeah, I found it interesting. I've managed to get away a few times, which is nice. In England, of course.
Of course,
So, yeah, it's quite nice.
That is good. What are we doing today?
The challenge today involves whipped cream, which I just discovered Chris doesn't like, which makes me even happier that we're doing this challenge. So, Chris, do you want to explain what we have to do?
Yes, the idea of this game is we've got to try and catch squirty cream in our mouth. So, James, why don't you come and you can demonstrate for everybody what they have to do. So, we squirt on our wrists. Oh, there we go. Okay. And then what we got to do, James?
All we have to do is slap our hands.
A little bit harder. So move your arm up like that.
Throw it up. There you go. So we got something like get away. So the idea is to put cream in our hands, throw it up, and try and catch it in our mouth. We're going to see who can get the most in a minute. Most in a minute.
Can we clarify? Do we have to get all of it, or just half of it? Because sometimes it kind of half goes in, half drops down. I'm going to say that counts. As long as you get some of it in your mouth, it counts.
Okay. All right.
There we go.
Okay. Right.
Okay.
James, get your timer ready, please. Got a minute on the clock.
Pressure is on.
Minute on the clock. Oh, it'll drop that.
Okay, get my hair out of the way.
3, 2, 1, go.
I love that. That's horrible.
I got one.
This is gross.
No,
20 seconds left.
That's actually gross.
10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop.
Oh, that is gross.
I literally have got it everywhere.
I apologise for that, spitting that out. But
Hearing
genuinely,
him go,
I hate the taste of cream. Oh,
okay, how many did you get?
got 8. Your face! I stopped shouting out, I got 8. I'm pretty sure I got 8.
I definitely got 7, but then I had like quite a few here, and I was like, oh, I can't really count that.
I've got 8. I tell you what, we'll be right back to have a quick count.
Yeah, how many we got?
Well, there has been a bit of argument behind scenes. We've watched it a couple of times.
We've even counted each other's.
We've counted each other's. We've recounted. We can agree on mine. 8. Right? I definitely got 8. Saffron's on the other hand, right?
I think I got 9.
I counted 8, and one of those she didn't actually get in her mouth.
This is outrageous.
Went to come down, she stuck her tongue out, and it didn't even go. It like she caught it like this. That doesn't count.
Can you do that again, so? It did, because it went on my tongue, and then I swallowed some. And we said if a little bit goes in your mouth, it counts.
Throw a Malteser in the air, right? Catch it in your mouth. Boom. Catch on your tongue. Does like and it falls on the floor. Doesn't
we're not playing the
count.
Malteser game. We're playing the whip hand. We said it counted, so it counts.
Still doesn't count.
So we're gonna call like I'm disagreeing with this, right? And this is why it's called Wind Up Wednesday, because I am getting wound up right now, right? I think it's 8-7. I think I won that, right? She's saying something different. You're gonna need to watch this back again and recount for us, okay? And let us know how. But we decided we're gonna do a sudden death type situation, right? Where the first person to get 3 definite catches in their mouth, right? Gotta be. None of this half in, half out, right? Definite catches in the mouth. First to 3 will win this challenge.
Okay, right, that's fair.
In their mouth.
All of
You
it.
got all of it in your mouth.
Even if it's
That's gonna be quite hard because sometimes it like splurts everywhere.
Well, you can have like try a little bit, like obviously, but the majority of it in your mouth. Majority. And you got to catch it in your mouth. None of this hanging on the tongue. All right. All of it in your mouth.
She's quite passionate about this subject. Okay,
She's that desperate to win, right? She's cheating.
hold on. You are the one that is disputing this, so you're as competitive as me.
Okay. First to three. There's no timer now, James. You don't need. You just need to count it down as first to count us in. All right. First to three.
2, 1, play then.
Ah! What? Two.
Go. I got half in, half out on that last one.
Does it
Count.
count?
Trying to show you that I got that third one in.
Oh, you did it, Dad. I saw you.
Thank you, official adjudicator James. Even though it's my son and
He
he's
did
slightly
say that
biased,
he was on Team Dad, so
Yeah, I'm just a judge, okay?
he's just a
I'm
judge.
just a judge.
he said he was on Team Dad.
I'm claiming the win. I'm claiming the win. Boom, yeah, double figures.
So annoyed.
See you next week.
Oh.
Well, genuinely, that last one made me sick.